With the addition of the aux mixers, we've added quite a bit of functionality to the transition menu. First off, you'll notice on the landing page, we've added some transition buttons for the MEs, all trans and all cut. The other thing that we've added are two buttons for aux trans setup and all trans setup. In the aux trans setup menu, this is where you're going to set the timings for the individual auxes. You can select all the auxes and change your transition rate, or you can select an individual aux and change the transition rate there independently of the other auxes. Once you've set your transition rates, then you can go back to the main menu and go to All Trans Setup. What the All Trans Setup menu allows you to do is determine what is going to be involved when you press the All Trans button on the switcher. So All Trans here, or back at the main menu, or on the control panel as a custom button. The All Trans menu determines which system resources are going to be involved in the next transition. So by selecting the buttons, you're turning on the various resources. You can then learn this into a preset. So we'll make that user 3, for instance. So now I can go through and select different presets that have different levels of activation. The All Trans menu can be used in conjunction with the aux previews and setups to be able to build complex matrix switching. You can use it to enable your main screens, additional auxiliary screens, records, downstage monitors can all be involved in one single transition.